happy Sunday. I don't know, it's exciting to me anyway. There's a company called Beebeecrafts. It's B-E-E-B-E-E Craft. And they have this program for what they call influencers. Ooh, I'm an influencer. If you have a YouTube channel with over 100 subscribers, you can, it's got all kinds of cute crafts supplies, and you can get $40 worth for free, and then you just have to make an introductory video like this one, and then 2 more videos showing what you did with the $40 worth of free stuff you got, what you made with your crafts. They have lots of jewelry making stuff. I got what's called die cuts. I'll explain those in a minute, and some rubber stamps to make cards with. And all you have to do is contact them, and well, there's a form, I think a form you fill out, online form, and they'll check and make sure that you have a YouTube channel with 100 or more subscribers. Then they'll email you and say, okay, we're good to go. And so all you have to do is you put whatever you want up to $40 in the cart, you know, the little shopping cart, and then you email them and say, okay, my cart's full, and they'll say, okay, we'll take care of it, and then they send it to you, and here it is. Stuff. And then you make a video showing what you got and telling about the program, and then you make 2 more videos showing with something you've done with what you got. So I've got some, what a die cut is they're these little metal plates with ridges around them, and there's a little machine that you put, it's like a glass plate, a piece of paper, you put this metal thing in, another glass plate, and then you send it through these roller things that press it down, and these little ridges on here cut the paper out. So I've got deer, I got a butterfly. This one, I think it's a fence that I've got houses, I can put the fence in front of houses, and then it's also got grass and flowers. It's got leaves. Look at this one. Does that look like a pot leaf or what? Maybe it's just me. But you could make a whole big bush out of these leaves, and I like that fan-shaped one. There's a tree called a ginkgo that has leaves that look just like that fan-shaped one. I think there's 3 Christmas trees in here. 2 or 3, maybe 2. No, it's 3. It's 3 different size shapes. This shorter one, and then a couple taller ones. So you could make a whole little forest out of that. And here's some like branches or bushes or whatever, leaves. And then here's some flowers. And these, they all cut out these different shapes I'm just showing you. So this whole package of all of these was probably maybe a total of less than $20 for all of these. And then the other thing I got was rubber stamps. These are wooden stamps. It's rubber on one side that you stamp in the ink, and then you stamp on the paper, and then the wooden side with a picture of what it is. Like there's a squirrel, and a moose. I think it's a moose. It looks like a moose to me. And a bird. And a bunny. A raccoon. And a flower. So I think this is really fun, and free is always great, and it just encourages me to make more crafting videos and to use, you know, take some time to do some crafting. So all you have to do is what I'm doing, basically get the stuff for free, show it, talk about the company, and then you get to craft in 2 more videos. So it's a good thing. So it's Beebeecraft. I'll link it down below. B-E-E Craft, all one word. And they had jewelry making stuff. They had these kind of rubber stamps, and they also had those like the stamps you stick in wax to make like a seal. They had those, tons of jewelry making stuff, beads and fasteners and earring hook things, and you name it. They had all kinds of cool jewelry stuff, and the prices seemed really good. Like I was looking at this one for my granddaughter, and it must have been at least 10 different little charms in there, and it was like $6. It was just really good prices. So go give them a try. Even if you don't want to do this, go give them a try and get yourself some crafting stuff, because their prices seem to be excellent. And it didn't took maybe 3 weeks to get the stuff. It didn't take forever, even though it probably comes from China. I'm pretty sure it comes from China, but it didn't take a really long time. See, could be Japan, but I think it's China. Doesn't say. But it'll be fun to play with these. And so watch for my next 2 videos. That'll show you what I might show parts of it, like show you how to use the die cut machine, but I probably won't show you the whole amount of time, because the video would be too long of, you know, me making the card. Because sometimes, especially if it's something new I'm playing with, I gotta experiment and try this and try that, and sometimes it'll take me an hour to make one card, so I don't want to make a video that long. But I might show little clips of different things and string it together. So if you're interested, click below and go see what they have to buy. And if you're interested in the program, give that a try. I mean, $40 worth of free stuff's $40 worth of free stuff, and it'll encourage you to do some crafting. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you're new, I do a little bit of everything. I do crafting videos type stuff like this. I do unboxings with makeup and jewelry and lifestyle and clothing, a little bit of all kinds of unboxings. I do some cooking videos, some answering questions type videos. On Monday I do the Mask Monday, where you put a mask on, you know, a face, not a COVID mask, but a moisturizing mask. And then on Fridays I do where you're helping me pick what clothes to keep out of my closet and what to get rid of. And then in between we have all kinds of other fun stuff. So if you enjoy all that kind of variety and me, please subscribe and hit that little bell, and you'll get notified next time I have a video. I mean, you want to come back and see what I made. And go check out Beebeecraft and give them a hello.